Hey, let me show you how we can get the iPhone keyboard layout on the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. So first of all, you have to open the Google Play Store and then you have to click on the search bar. And from this, you have to input this phrase, Apple keyboard. Now we can pick this from the quick recommendation. And as you can see, we have to actually get this application, Green Apple Keyboard, from Arvin Apps developer. Now we have to install it and simply wait for this installation and downloading process. It will take around a few seconds. Now we have to open it. From this, click to enable in the settings. From this, you have to select the Green Apple Keyboard and click on the switcher, click OK. Click OK again and go back. Now select to switch input methods and select Green Apple Keyboard and tap to finish. Now, when you open your keyboard, for example right here, you can actually find your device with this iOS keyboard layout. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.